Compatibility. The Genie Universal 2-button ACSCTG Type 2 remote is compatible with most major rolling code, only, garage door opener brands sold in the USA. Genuine OEM Genie Remote. This universal 2-button tombstone-style Genie garage remote is an authentic OEM Genie replacement remote, performance backed by Genie. Replacement. Great replacement option for these Genie discontinued model remtoes ACSCTG Type 1 Intellicode Remote, ACSCTG Type 2 Intellicode Remote, and the ACSCTG Type 3 Intellicode Remote. See full compatibility chart. Great placement option for an existing remote from any of the compatible manufacturers listed such as Genie, Overhead Door, Chamberlain, LiftMaster, Craftsman, Sommer, Dalton and more. Includes one universal 2-button ACSCTG Type 2 remote, a visor clip, a single CR2032 battery, and programming instructions. Universal garage door remote replacement, for models such as ACSCTG, ACSCTG Type 1, ACSCTG Type 2, ACSCTG Type 3, Get 1, Get 2, Get 3, garage door opener, remote universal for major garage door opener brands. Top reviews from the United States. Solid. Slight delay in reaction to get used to. Trust the solid click. Seems like it takes a half second for my 1998 Genie to respond, but it does. Didn't have that with the previous clicker. But I got tired of the previous one needing to be reprogrammed every few months. Got a second one for the wife. I also like that it's a bit bigger. Less chance to getting lost in clutter.